Are preppers responsible or paranoid? Hey everyone, Rob Crossman here and welcome back to TotalPrepping.com. And in today's video, I'm going to go over a pretty common question that I get a lot, and that is, are preppers responsible or paranoid? So if you're ready, let's go. A very common issue that many preppers face is opposition from friends or family. Preparing for a possible crisis such as a war or hurricane may seem crazy to people who prefer to take each day as it comes and not plan for the future. As a survivalist, it's imperative to believe in why you're doing what you're doing. There will be obstacles along the way, such as controlling your spending so that you can buy supplies, etc. If your spouse is not on the same page as you, there can be friction in the relationship. Sometimes the whole idea may seem pointless. After all, it's easier to be like everyone else and just not worry about any possible crisis. Yet, deep in your heart, you may feel like this is the most important and responsible thing that you need to do to keep your family and yourself safe. While it may appear to others that you are paranoid, you understand that through preparation creates its own luck. At times like these, believing in your purpose and goal is very important so that you do not lose your desire. Make sure you set goals and keep a journal. Define your why and always remember why you're doing what you're doing. Having food supplies stored for a month may seem unnecessary to most people. However, if there is a crisis, some of the stores could be closed and this food will sustain you. During a crisis, people panic and rush to the stores to clear the shelves of whatever items they think they need. And on a side note, I think we can all agree, just from this last pandemic, for the last 2 years anyway, that is 100% true. So now the question is, should they have been ready? The answer is yes. It's not paranoia. It's actually being survival ready. For example, if you sign up for first aid classes, the skill will come in handy when you least expect it. If your friend or family member accidentally fractures their arm during a hiking trip, you'll know how to tie their arm in a sling. It doesn't have to be in a survival situation. The skills you master will come in handy during many different situations. Remember the TV show MacGyver? I know I do. That was in the 80s, and yes, I do remember that show very well. It was a hit back in the day, and the character was extremely innovative. Yet, at the heart of it, MacGyver was a survivalist. People tend to mock and laugh at what they don't understand. This is the way of the world now. As a survivalist, you'll have to accept this and its skepticism in your stride. Ideally, it's best not to say a word to anybody about your survival and prepping habits, except to other preppers and survivalists. Why? Should there be a major crisis and food stocks run low, or there's a shortage of water, if people like your friends and family that don't believe in what you're doing know this, and know you've been storing supplies for an emergency, I am willing to bet that they're going to come looking for you in desperation, and if this happens, things sometimes can get ugly. So make sure to caution your family and tell them not to mention anything to anybody about your prepping. If your spouse doesn't understand why you're doing what you're doing, try to explain to them the importance of being prepared and ready. At the end of the day, you need to do what you need to do. Having the confidence and determination to do what others won't will benefit you long term. Keep at it without losing your spirit. Also, try to make it fun for you and your family, and everyone will enjoy doing it more. Bottom line is, being ready for a crisis is better than being caught unaware. And try to always remember that. Okay, well, that's all I got for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video on are preppers responsible or paranoid. And also, in the description down below and the pinned comment, don't forget to click the link, head on over to my blog, and get your free step-by-step guide that's going to walk you through the process of creating your own action plan in the event of a crisis. It's 100% free. head on over there and don't forget to pick it up. So if you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all of your family, friends, prepping and survival peeps out there. This helps me out a lot, and it actually helps me keep the lights on here at Total Prepping. And as always, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you can get notified when I release a video. I'm uploading videos weekly. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Rob Crossman from Total Prepping. Have a great day or night. Take care and God bless.